guys, good morning guys. Please don't mind my lighting. I have just woken up and dressed up in my gym wear. I'm just gonna hit some few home workouts and then get ready for the day. So my VNs, the plan for the day is it's an ice cream date with my son. So we're gonna have an ice cream date and hopefully I can vlog even other few things that we're gonna do. But I'm not so sure because location is not really allowing guys with my with vlogging. I'm a para out to those phones. So hopefully I can cover even other parts, but if not, I am sorry guys. We're just gonna have the indoors of wherever we're gonna be having our ice cream date and then call it a day. I mean, spend a day if I must say. Oh, the light. But guys, let me just have some quick skips and everything and then we out.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way,
Hey guys, so I've just done my workout and now we're gonna get ready to go. Yes, babe?
Hello?
Hey. Hello, baby.
Hello?
So I'm just gonna get ready with my baby and then we go. So guys, we're just gonna take a bath and then I'm gonna be wearing this t-shirt which I bought from Red Bed thingy Sports In, the Red Bed thingy. These jeans from Exact, the paperback style, and then this jacket which I don't know why I did not hang, which I got from Mr. Price. My boy is gonna go with these jeans which I bought from some shop called CB in Kumbu. This Mr. Price thingy sweater. I might put on a t-shirt under, and then he's gonna throw in his Nike sneakers, and then I'll put in my sorry about that, my Dan's sneakers which are dirty. I have to clean first. Okay, but that's it guys. So I'm done with the workout, so let me get ready. We might meet at the ice. No. I'll finish the vlog. You don't want to.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town.
And thank you, my VNs. That's it for our day.